In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an org chart in ClickUp. Whether you're managing a small team, a growing company, or a large organization, having a clear organizational chart is essential for understanding team structure and relationships. ClickUp's Whiteboard feature makes it easy to create a dynamic and visual org chart right within your workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking chart that you can customize and share with your team. Let's get started. First, log into your ClickUp workspace. If you're not already familiar, ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help teams organize tasks, projects, and workflows in one place. If you don't yet have a ClickUp account, you'll find a link in the description below to get started. Once you're logged in, locate and select the project you want to create the org chart for. This step ensures your chart is tied to the right team or work context, making it easy to access later. Next, click the View option. You can find this in the top menu or the sidebar menu depending on your workspace layout. From the list of available views, select Whiteboard. If you don't see Whiteboard listed as an option, it might not be enabled in your workspace settings. Double-check your settings and make sure Whiteboard is turned on. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to proceed. Now open the Whiteboard. This will give you access to a blank canvas where you can start building your chart. It's a flexible and intuitive space, perfect for laying out your organization's structure. To begin, select a shape from the toolbar. You can choose a rectangle, a rounded box, or any other shape that suits your style. Drag the shape onto the canvas and type the name or title of the person or position directly inside the shape. Repeat this process for every position in your organization. Add as many shapes as needed to represent all roles or departments. Once all your shapes are on the canvas, it's time to show the relationships between them. Use the connector tool to draw lines between the shapes, visually representing the hierarchy and reporting structure. For example, you can connect a department head to their team members, or show how different roles collaborate within the organization. As you arrange your shapes and lines, focus on making the chart clear and easy to read. Ensure the hierarchy is visually apparent, with higher-level positions typically placed at the top and other roles branching out below. Finally, adjust the layout as needed. This might include repositioning shapes to avoid overlapping lines or resizing elements to create more space. The goal is to ensure the chart remains clean, organized, and easy to follow. And there you have it, a fully customized org chart created in ClickUp. You can now save, share, or continue to edit it as your team grows or changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.